Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will solve the problem of rotating a list by a given number of steps. So let's get started and understand this step by step. So our task is to rotate a list to the right by a given number of steps. For example, if the input list is like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and the number of step is 2, then the output will be like 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. If the number of steps is greater than the length of the list, the rotation should work cyclically. So let me write the code first, then I will explain it line by line. So numbers equal to list of map of int comma input dot split, then steps equal to int input that's it. These are the two things we need to get from the user. Then if we will start by giving the condition, if length of numbers equal to 0, we can print the list is empty. In the else condition, we can do like steps equal to steps mod run of numbers. So basically this handles steps greater than the length of the list. Then rotated list equal to numbers minus steps colon plus numbers steps minus steps. This perform the rotation. I will explain it later. I just coding it first. So print the rotated list is comma rotated list. So let me explain it line by line. First we take the list of numbers and the number of steps as input from the user. For example, here we will receive the input from the user, the list of numbers, and in this step we will receive the steps we need to rotate the list. Then this condition will handle the empty set. If the input list is empty, we need to handle, and this that's an edge case, and we will print a message and exit the program. So this step is to handle cases where the number of steps is greater than the length of the list. This modulo operator helps to avoid that, like we helps to handle such cases. So if the list is 1 2 3 4 5 and the steps is 7, then the length of the list is 5. So 7 mod 5 we will get 2, and we only need to rotate it by 2. Then in here the number minus steps, this row gives the last steps elements, and this gives the rest of the elements. So this gives the last step elements and this gives the rest of the elements. So concatenating these two parts give the rotated list. For example, if the list is 1 2 3 and 4 5 and the step is 2, then we need to get the result 4 5 1 2 and 3. So and finally we will print the result, print the rotated list. So let's test the code. Let's give 1 2 3 4 and 5 and the step, let it be 2. Let's run this code. we need to get 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3 which we received. So let's give another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and step will be 7. Then we need to rotate it by 2 since we get step mode length as 2. So yeah, the same result 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3. Let's give an empty set and let's rotate it by 3. Should result as the list is empty. Yeah, the result is the list is empty. So the key concept we used here are the modulo operator to handle cyclic rotations, then splitting and concatenating list using slicing, then we handle the edge cases like empty list or 0 rotations. That's how we can rotate a list by a given number of steps. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more exciting problems, and as always, happy coding.